Hello and welcome to a run through of some LTI work. I'm going to do LTI 1.1, just give you sort of the kind of things I do to do a test. So here I am on a Tsugi Cloud server, Tsugi server, and I am going to do a 1.1 key. Now you don't do an issuer here, you just do a key. So 1.3 has an issuer and a key, and 1.1 only has a key. And so I'm going to insert a new key, and I'm going to come back. Where did that little thing go? Come back. There we are. Oh, I've got this is my key, and this is my secret. Deployment doesn't matter. Issuer, do not set this. You could set the user ID to 1 if you wanted. It should do that automatically, but it don't. And so we've now got the LTI 1.1 vid key. So let's go over into Sakai. We're going to insert a LTI 1.1 tool. So I'm going to insert two tools. One is an actual tool and the other is a store. So let's just start with a tool, and that's trophy 1.1 vid. URL. Oops, what did I just do? URL. Key. Secret. Send all the data. Allow all the services. This is this mod trophy. That is an LTI, basic LTI launch or resource link launch only. Boom, right there. Now, where we can add it, we're going to add it at the rich text editor. This is more of a Sakai 21 thing I'm testing on trunk, so that should be in there for trunk. But don't say anything about LTI 1.1, just leave all this stuff blank, and you now, 1.3, leave all the 1.3 stuff blank, and now you have made an LTI 1.3 placeable tool, but it's not a store. So let's go through it again and use the same key and secret. LTI 1.3 vid store. The URL is the one that has store in it. And the key is LTI 1.1 vid key. Then secret. Yeah. Now we're saying this one can receive a deep link. Now it changed the name, but oh, it didn't change the title, but it changed this to be allowed. It checks things to make sure that you're not, certain things you got to set. And we're going to say this is going to be placeable from lessons and the rich text editor. Don't do any of this. And now you should have 2. Okay, so let's make a site. Oops, not that. I should have had this all done, but create new site, project site. I'll put lessons and gradebook. Continue, and let everybody have access so I can have my student Hiroki join up. Now we got her. Okay. And now we're in VidFun. We're going to go into lessons. So we got to add content. There's learning app. We will do the, oh, did I call that 1.1? Hang on a sec. Let's go back. What did I call that? Called it 1.3 vid store. It is not a 1.3. It is a 1.1 vid store. So I do not want to confuse myself, so I will fix that. So we go back to VidFun, add content, add learning app, LTI11 VidStore. There we go. And we'll put a trophy in. We'll just call this from store. This name matters because it does help tells where the grades get routed from. So I want that to be unique. Install content. And here we are, trophy from store. Let's go over to my friend Hiroki and join that site. Joinable sites. VidFun, that's the one I just joined. And I'm in VidFun now. And I see lessons, and I see trophy from the store. And I press continue to the external tool. And I look in the gradebook. I got a 95 out of 100. So that's pretty good. So now we're going to go add some content, and we're going to add the external tool. This is the trophy that's not from the store. It's just placed directly. So that's this one. We will launch it. We will continue to the external tool. Oh wait, I'm the teacher. Don't confuse yourself, Chuck. Got to do it from a student. And so I go to gradebook. And there's the other one that's 95 out of 100. And then the last scenario we've got to test is I'm just going to add a text block here. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to go to the LTI11 VidStore. And I'll put trophy in here. Install trophy in the editor. Submit. Install. So now I'll save this. And now I can come over here as Hiroki. And I should see trophy in the editor. Now one of the things you'll notice when you look at the launch data is there is no LIS result source did, which means that this actually, you can always look at this launch data if you don't have debug, or you turn debug on. This tool is not going to be able, because Sakai is not giving it enough information to send the grade. So the grade's it's gonna send it. So Tsugi thought it sent a grade, but it didn't send a grade. And so if I say done, it comes back. And then I go to the gradebook, and there is no grade for that because that grade's not supposed to flow. And so that is pretty much all there is to test, I think, in 1.1. Cheers.